How to open a Halifax bank account online. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can check out halifax.co.uk, the official website of Halifax. If you want to open up a new bank account online, tap on the Sign In button. After which, at the bottom, you will see some of the options such as register for internet banking. You need to click on the option. Over here, you can register with a current or saving account, loan account, mortgage account, or credit card, or even a sharing account. To register for online banking, you will have to enter some of the personal details. Also, some of the details regarding your residential. Select an account type that you wish to open as an online banking in Halifax. Enter your sort code and account number. Agree with the terms and condition and tap on Continue. To register a brand new account, it will take you 3 of the steps. In step 2, you will have to provide with some of the identification documents. And once your account is verified, you'll be able to create your very own username and password for your Halifax online banking account. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.